When my clients aren't losing weight as quickly as they'd like, they always ask me if it's because they're actually gaining muscle mass while losing fat. Body weight alone is not an accurate picture of body composition or overall health. The only way to know what's really happening in your body is by looking at the full picture of body fat, lean muscle mass, body water, bone mass, etc. So how do you get these measurements? In this video, we're going to talk about the Hume Health Body Pod scale, a tool for tracking your body composition progress at home. We'll also talk about the pros and cons of the device. Welcome to my channel. I'm Holly of Renewal Fitness and Nutrition Coaching, and as a registered dietitian and personal trainer specializing in weight management and running nutrition, an accurate and easy way to track body composition changes plays a key role in my clients reaching their goals and can help you as well. So first, let's talk about the benefits of owning a body composition analyzer like the Body Pod. Since most of my clients are remote, I'll ask them to see if their local gym can provide a body fat measurement via calipers or an Omron handheld body fat analyzer, which isn't very accurate or detailed, but it's still better than weight alone. Best case scenario, some gyms will have an in-body machine that can get a much better look at all of the data I mentioned. However, many places charge a good chunk of change to have this measurement done. Plus, the biggest benefit of these machines is being able to re-measure data over and over every few months to see what kind of progress is being made. Consistency is key when it comes to accurate body measurements. It should be done at the same time, in the same clothes, before a workout, and with a similar amount of water consumption, which is hard to achieve if you have to drive to a gym every time you want a new measurement. Which is what makes the Hume Health Body Pod machine an awesome tool to have at home. It's just like an in-body scan that you can take in the comfort of your home anytime you want. And I want to thank Hume Health for sponsoring this video and sending me the Body Pod to test out for myself. You can get yours at the link in the description below and use the 20% off discount code they provided to me, which is Renewal15. So let's talk about the Body Pod machine, what it does, and some of the pros and cons. The Body Pod is the world's first portable body analyzer, which uses 8 frequency sensors to deliver precise weight, full body composition, and other health data, helping you to understand how your body reacts to food, sleep, stress, and other factors so you can make informed health choices. Here are some of the features that sets it apart from similar body analyzers like Omron, Withings, and InBody. It comes with a free app that allows users to set goals and track their progress over time. It measures 54 different health metrics, including weight, body fat percent, muscle mass, and the amount of muscle mass in each limb, bone mineral content, basal metabolic rate, subcutaneous fat, body water, metabolic age, and much more. It records your heart rate, which can be used to know if you're overtaxing yourself with workouts or stress. It gives explanations for each of these numbers, so you know what they mean and provides actionable insights that may help you understand which areas you need to work on. And as you weigh in consistently over time, the Hume app will have better understanding and be able to accurately detect if potential changes are from true progress or other variables that may impact a reading, like extreme dehydration or sensor noise. You can see here how my body fat started at 19.1%, but after regularly weighing in, it moved to and stayed in the 17 to 18% range consistently. One thing I really like is how it uses a visual of a human body that shows you how much muscle you have in each individual arm, leg, and trunk, so you can work on keeping a balanced body, which prevents injuries. It also gives you an idea of your bone mineral content, which can help you to know if you need to add more weight-bearing exercise or increase certain vitamins and minerals in your diet that help build and maintain bone. Because the Body Pod can sync with Fitbit, Samsung Health, Apple Watch, and more, it allows the app to become your all-in-one solution to track your nutrition, sleep, and activity on top of all the other health metrics. It uses AI to study these patterns and connects that with your body data to give you personalized feedback so you can easily understand which areas you need to work on. And it's more accurate than similar smart scales. Where a traditional body impedance scale provides a good baseline to measure basic composition, it measures only the lower half of your body, and then it uses an equation to calculate your full body composition. The Body Pod has advanced sensors embedded into handles that are able to scan your torso, arms, legs, and even heart. This means it measures your full body composition and claims to have an accuracy of 98% compared to the DEXA scan, which is the medical grade gold standard of body composition analyzers. So it's on par with in-body machines that cost $20,000 at the gym. So now anyone can have this technology at home for a much lower price, which is pretty amazing. Of course, no machine is perfect, so let's cover a few of the other things to know about the Body Pod. Body Pod utilizes the first 5 weigh-ins as a calibration period to get a better understanding of your unique body composition. So keep in mind that your first few results will probably be the least accurate, and plan to weigh in daily if possible when you first get the machine to start getting more accurate results as soon as possible. The app has a free and a paid version. In order to get all of the insights, nutrition programming, workout programs, you'll need the paid version, which is $14.99 per month or $100 per year as of the publishing of this video. One con of the app is that it won't allow you to change your weight goal unless it's 5 pounds different. So you have to make sure you set it accurately the first time, and you can't set it for small goals like 2 to 3 pounds. And you can't set body fat percent goals. The app can create a nutrition plan and you can log your food. While it's nice that a food journal is included so you don't have to use so many apps, the numbers can be way off since this is not like having a dietitian set specific numbers for you and your goals. For instance, it doesn't know if my weekly activity is weights, walking, running, etc., and it doesn't know what my goal body fat percent is. I set a 5-pound weight gain goal, and it set my protein at a crazy high number, like Olympic athlete kind of number that I would never give to myself or a client for that same goal. So the nutrition recommendations shouldn't be something you blindly follow, assuming that the app knows best. I hope you now have a better idea of the benefits of having frequent body composition data to reach your health goals, and the unique features of the Body Pod that set it apart from similar and less accurate machines, and why you may want to purchase one of these for your home. You can purchase yours at the link in the description. If this video is helpful for you, please give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. And if there are any other products you'd like me to review, please leave a comment down below. And until the next video, blessings on your health and fitness journey.